is beefing with up. So I'm like, you know,
Drinks on him. Hey guys, so I am back with another video. If you can tell, this is going to be my first time installing a lace front. Okay, honey, I purchased a wig and I'm going to get into installing this. This is my first time. Give me a break. And this is how I install the wig. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. I purchased my wig. I already took it out the packaging. I purchased my wig from Amazon. It was $34. It was just a regular, wig that you could just throw on. I wanted to buy something quick and easy. It was 2-day shipping, so I purchased it on Tuesday. It got here by Thursday around like 5 or 6 o'clock, which thank you, Amazon Prime. I got it from lucyhairwig. It is actually a 180 density blend hairline for women. 24 inch. I got it in a black color. It comes with the wig, and then it also comes with 2 wig caps. This is the wig here. Stiff wear. I started out with my wig cap. I put the wig cap over my head because I want to protect my edges on both sides. Some people put the wig cap behind their ears. I'm going to put it over my head to protect my edges. So I'm just going to go with my God. I did spray a little bit. I'm going to spray a little bit more. I'm going to go with my Gots to Be Glue Blasting Free Spray. And then you do it with a comb or your hands. Just blend it in. Make sure that you're getting all the areas, okay? And then, and blow this bad boy out, put to the ground. Once the cap is secure in the front area and is dried out, I'm going to cut the ear part out. Breathe. So we're gonna cut the ear part out. All you need to do is a little cut like that, and then I just pull it the rest of the way and pull my ears through. So once this is cut, well, like I'm morphing, honey. Once this is, we cut the ear part, I am going to cut the perimeter. Start in the middle. I'm gonna do 3 cuts. It's usually easy that way. Okay, wig cap. Okay, wig is when you cut the middle and then the edge. I cut all the excess off. Now we're gonna put some concealer on this wig cap. I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Complexion BB cream. Let's put it. Yeah, so I'm gonna place her. This is the lace. There are 3 combs in the front, so 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then there's no combs in the back, but there is this band right here. I am going to hook it the tightest of the tightest at the back. That's 1. That's 2. And then you just pull it to the front, and then we pull them up. Okay, so this is the hair. Let me comb it. You see now, it's a totally complete difference. Here is the part. I'm gonna put some concealer in the part as well. But it's totally complete. Okay, so I clip the hair back. I'm just gonna adjust it. Okay, then I just cut the side to align with my ears. I'm gonna do it on the other side. So I did it on both sides. So now it's time to spray down. The spray, and then I'm gonna get my comb section. So I'm gonna actually brush back so we can see the hairline and clip it closer. Oh Lord, gonna spray this side. I'm just gonna cut this just to make it easy. In threes. Cause we can keep. So I did the middle, this side. Woo, Jesus. Now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna keep it. I tied it down, and then I'm going to straighten it because I want it to be bone, straight into straighten this down. So we're gonna go in with a hot comb. This is the one that you can plug in. It can heat up to 500. I'm gonna have it on 300. It is a synthetic wig, so you have to be very careful with it. I had a little bit of tingle probably when I was like positioning it on my head, but other than that, I just comb with my wig brush from bottom to top, and that's the scarf I'm combing, and it came out wonderful. Put a little bit of beeswax, hair conditioner just on the top. There seems to be a little flyaways on top of here, so I'm just gonna put that up there. And then we're just gonna go in with the straightener just to get this part. And you see how the beeswax gives it like shine? So I use the hot comb to straighten out the top hair. Now I'm gonna go in with the rest of the hair with the straightener to have it bone straight. Up here, I hot combed it. So I'm gonna put a scarf to hold it down, and then I'm just going to straighten here. One side done. Honey, the heat hitting this hair, it's like a magic comb. This side I'm just gonna cut the lace. To style my edges and, you know, get the life. Loose on crazy edges. I don't even want to cut anything. Then I put a little bit of concealer there to make the part stronger. I have to say, overall review of the hair, it does get tangled. That's the only problem. But once I actually bumped it with the straightener, it did knots. Everything flew out. Okay, and it's flowing. I also was having like flyaways on the top, and I didn't cut anything. I'm just going to loose it and then hold it down. That should actually do it for the hair. I did a good job to install, you know. I think I got like an 8 out of 10. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, being in tune, and until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Later. No, I know. But I do like this, though. There's no disrespect towards y'all, but yeah, I'm gonna do your first time video will be included, so make sure y'all watch to the end and don't just